Welcome to the Code Studio. In this lecture we will be installing Express.js on our Ubuntu machine. Okay, for Express.js what we need is we need to create a directory where we can install Express.js. So I am creating a directory in cd var www vhost, and I am creating a directory with the name Node API.com. Okay. We won't use cd command, we use mkdir command, make directory var vhost nodeapi.com. Okay, now we will change to our newly created directory, that is var www vhost node api.com. so this is our newly created directory. We will move to it. So as you can see, nothing is in here, so it's a newly created directory. We will install our Express.js project in this newly created directory, that is nodeapi.com. okay, so the first command we will use is sudo apt update to update our package manager. Sudo apt update to update our package manager, right? It will update Ubuntu 18.04 package manager. It will take some time. Okay, our package manager is now updated. Now we will use a command to initialize Node project, and then we will install Express.js in this directory. So the command to initialize is npm init. This command will initialize Node.js project in this directory and will create a file named package.json. In this package.json file will list all our dependencies, versions, and etc. Shortly we will see how we will create package.json file. So the command here we will run is npm init to initialize Node project. It will ask a couple of things from us. Let's see. Package name nodeapi.com. yes, I am going with default version 1.0. yeah, okay, I am going with the default description. It's REST, or we can say REST API, REST API, simple. Entry point. Okay, entry point is the file at which every request will be handled or will be initiated from this file. Okay, so I am using app.js file as an entry point to my project. Okay, test command, no test command for now. Get repository, no get repository for now. No keywords for now. Author, it's me, so I'll write my name. License, no. Okay, so it says is okay, yes. Okay, so as we can see that there is a file package.json available in our newly created directory. Let's check what's inside this file. Package.json. so here is a file. It says that all the details that we have provided there, it's available here. We said that name of our project is nodeapi.com, version we have select 1.0.0, description we said REST API, main means the entry point of our application is app.js, script we have nothing, right? We have write nothing in script. Author is me, license is ICS. okay, everything seems good. Now let's install Express.js in our newly created directory. For that we will use command npm install express. Okay, and we will use an optional parameter that is -- save. This will add express.js in our project dependency. Soon you will see what is project dependency. In short, this will add Express.js as a dependency in package.json file. We will see shortly. So let's execute this command, npm install express. -save to install Express.js in our newly created directory. Yeah, of course it will take some time. So yes, as you can see, Express.js now installed in our project, and also added as a dependency in package.json file. Let's see the package.json file vim. We can vim this file to check either Express.js is added. Yes, it is. See, previously you have seen that there was no dependency object available in package.json. As now, after executing npm install express -save command, we can see that there is a dependency object added in package.json, which shows that we have added Express as a dependency in our project and installed Express successfully. So let's move out and being unless this command, everything's so yeah. There are a few changes in our directory. Let's discuss those changes too. There is a node module folder. Node module contains all the libraries, all the necessary libraries of Node.js and Express.js. Here in node module, package.json is the file where we have added all our initial requirements and dependencies, and package-log.json file holds all the installed packages information in this file. We can also check this file. Let's check vim package.json. Yeah, you can see it shows what dependencies we have installed and what version of that dependency we have installed in our system. So that file holds this information. So in this lecture, we have installed Express.js successfully in our system and added that Express.js as a dependency in our package.json file. Thank you for watching this lecture. For now, it's all. See you in the next lecture.